Most BMW owners believe that performance, smoothness, and longevity depend almost entirely on what happens inside a workshop. Oil changes, software updates, mechanical inspections. That's only part of the truth. In reality, the way your BMW feels every single day is shaped far more by small habits you repeat without thinking. If you've ever driven two identical BMWs, same model, same engine, same year, and wondered why one feels sharper, smoother, more alive than the other, this episode explains why. The difference often isn't mileage, and it isn't maintenance history. It's usage behavior. BMW engineers design their cars around adaptive systems: engine management, transmission logic, steering assistance, braking response, and chassis calibration. These systems are constantly learning from you. Every cold start, every short trip, every stop-and-go commute feeds data into the car. Over time, your BMW adapts, sometimes in your favor, sometimes against you. One of the most misunderstood habits is how drivers treat the first minutes after startup. BMW engines are engineered with extremely tight tolerances. During cold starts, oil viscosity, thermal expansion, and fuel mixture are all in a temporary state of imbalance. Driving aggressively during this phase doesn't cause instant damage, but it trains the engine and transmission to prioritize protection rather than performance. Throttle mapping becomes more conservative. Gear changes feel slower. The car starts to feel heavier, even though nothing is mechanically wrong. Another silent factor is how consistently you drive in the same conditions. BMW's adaptive transmissions and engine control units learn patterns. If most of your driving happens in traffic, short trips, or low RPM cruising, the car optimizes itself for efficiency and smoothness at the expense of responsiveness. This is why many BMW owners describe their car as dull or muted over time. The system is doing exactly what it was trained to do. This is where most drivers unknowingly lock their BMW into a reduced character state. They blame fuel quality. They blame the gearbox. They blame modern emissions systems. But the reality is simpler and more empowering. Before we go deeper, if you want clear, BMW-specific explanations like this, without dealership myths or generic advice, subscribe to the channel. This series is designed to help you restore how your BMW feels without unnecessary expenses. Another critical habit is how often the car is allowed to complete a full operating cycle. Modern BMW engines, especially turbocharged units, rely on reaching stable operating temperatures. Frequent short trips prevent this stabilization. Over time, fuel trims shift, exhaust systems never operate at peak efficiency, and the car quietly loses refinement. No warning lights appear. The BMW simply stops feeling right. Braking behavior also plays a role. BMW braking systems are integrated into vehicle dynamics management. Repetitive, gentle braking in urban conditions recalibrates brake assist and pedal response. Later, when stronger braking is required, the response can feel inconsistent. This is not brake wear. It's adaptive behavior. Steering feel is affected in the same way. BMW electric power steering continuously adjusts assistance based on speed, driving mode, and driver input. Constant micro-corrections train the system to increase assistance. Over time, steering loses weight and feedback. Drivers describe it as numb, without realizing they taught it to behave that way. All of this leads to one unavoidable conclusion. Your BMW is not static. It evolves. And whether it evolves towards sharpness or softness depends largely on how you drive it every day. At the end of this episode, you'll understand the single habit that has the biggest impact on restoring true BMW character, without tools, without coding, and without touching the engine. But first, you need to recognize that your BMW has been listening to you all along. Now that you understand how your BMW adapts to your daily habits, the next step is learning how to guide that adaptation in the right direction. This is not about driving aggressively, abusing the engine, or pretending your BMW is a race car. It's about restoring balance. BMW systems respond best when they experience variety. Smooth driving, dynamic inputs, steady cruising, and controlled load all play a role in keeping the car responsive and alive. One of the most powerful habits you can introduce is controlled load variation once the engine is fully warm. Many BMW owners never allow the engine to explore its full operating range. They shift early, avoid higher RPMs, and believe they are protecting the car. In reality, BMW engines are designed to work efficiently across a wide RPM spectrum. When higher rev ranges are never used, the engine management system permanently favors low load efficiency. Throttle response becomes delayed, and acceleration feels muted. Simply allowing the engine to breathe, occasionally and responsibly, retrains the system over time. The transmission behaves in the same way. BMW automatic gearboxes continuously adapt shift speed, firmness, and timing based on driver input. Long periods of light throttle and gentle acceleration teach the gearbox to upshift early and soften engagement. This creates the sensation of hesitation or disconnection. Introducing firm, smooth acceleration, without harshness, encourages the gearbox to sharpen its behavior again. After a few weeks, shifts feel more decisive, and the car feels more connected to your right foot. Driving modes play a much bigger role than most owners realize. Leaving the car permanently in comfort mode limits how often adaptive systems access their full calibration range. Comfort is designed for efficiency and smoothness, not character. Using sport mode strategically, even during normal driving, keeps steering weight, throttle response, and transmission logic from becoming one-dimensional. This does not increase wear. It preserves system balance. BMW engineers expect these modes to be used, not avoided. Steering input discipline is another overlooked factor. Electric power steering in modern BMWs continuously adjusts assistance based on how the driver interacts with the wheel. Drivers who constantly make small corrections, especially on straight roads, train the system to increase assistance. Over time, steering loses resistance and feedback. By making smoother, more deliberate inputs, the system gradually recalibrates. The steering starts to feel heavier, more precise, and more BMW-like again. Braking behavior also deserves attention. BMW brake systems are deeply integrated with stability control and vehicle dynamics management. If your driving consists mostly of gentle braking at low speeds, the system adapts to that pattern. Periodic firm braking from higher speeds, when conditions are safe, restores consistent pedal feel and braking response. This is especially important on BMWs equipped with brake-by-wire systems, where pedal feel is largely software-controlled. Another key factor is operating temperature consistency. BMW engines and transmissions perform best when they regularly reach and maintain stable temperatures. Cars that are only used for short trips never complete this cycle. Over time, fuel trims drift, response dulls, and smoothness suffers. Even one longer drive per week, where the car reaches full operating temperature and stays there, can significantly improve how the BMW feels. Now we arrive at the single habit that has the greatest overall impact: mixed-use driving. A BMW that only sees city traffic becomes optimized for traffic. A BMW that only sees highway cruising becomes optimized for steady speeds. Neither scenario allows the car to express its full engineering. Introducing variation, urban driving, open roads, controlled acceleration, steady cruising, and intentional deceleration keeps all adaptive systems active and balanced. This is why two BMWs with identical maintenance histories can feel completely different. One has been taught variety. The other has been taught monotony. The car is not broken. It has simply learned. There is no button to reset this instantly. There is no magic coding trick. BMW adaptation works gradually, just as it learned your old habits gradually. But the change is real, and most owners feel a difference within weeks once they drive with awareness. Your BMW is listening to you every time you drive. It remembers how you accelerate, how you brake, how you steer, and how you warm it up. If you change the conversation, the car responds. In the next episode, we'll go deeper into BMW infotainment systems, hidden settings, and silent system behaviors that influence how the car feels and responds, features many owners never touch, yet complain about daily. If you want your BMW to feel sharp, smooth, and alive again without tools or workshops, subscribe. This series is built to restore what makes a BMW, one habit at a time.